Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into FaceTime and that camera and mic permissions are granted. This ensures calls connect and audio works. Once done, choose Wi-Fi for best quality or cellular if needed. Now open the FaceTime app. You can also initiate from the Contacts app or the phone app's recent calls list. Tap the plus button to add a contact or select a recent caller. This gets you ready to begin a video or audio FaceTime right away. You place a call by tapping a contact or entering their phone number or email, then choosing video or audio. During the call, use on-screen controls. Mute your mic, flip between front and back cameras, and capture live photos if the other person allows it. Once the call is active, you can tap the Add Person icon to create a group FaceTime or use effects to blur the background. Make sure to manage volume and speaker settings so everyone hears clearly, and the focus remains on You end a FaceTime by tapping the red Hang Up button. Afterward, review your recents list to redial quickly. If a call fails to connect, make sure both parties have FaceTime enabled, correct Apple ID or reachable emails/phones, and a stable network. Once done, try toggling FaceTime off and on in settings, restart your iPhone, and check for an iOS update. If problems persist, sign out of FaceTime and sign back in. This often refreshes account settings and restores normal calling behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.